Good day students. Today we are learning about MS PowerPoint. So you know what is PowerPoint? So one of the development and application software is a PowerPoint, MS Office PowerPoint. Okay, so why we are using PowerPoint and what are the features of PowerPoint? See here, PowerPoint audio features. Suppose like for example here I am giving the PPT presentation by using the audio. So audio means we can listen the person what are the saying. Okay, this is the first feature. And bi-directional text features, and you can give the bi-directional different directions of the text like moving, shaking, different effects. And the collaboration features, collaborate with other features also. Here we can give collaborated with the other features also. And design and layout feature, so we can design the slides, different slides. And we can make a new also. Keyboard features, by using a keyboard keys, different keyboard keys we can use it. Object insertion features, suppose like if we have a different types of objects, related objects, maybe pictures, charts, or any other animator or whatever, we can insert those objects. And picture features, suppose a picture effects like a different pictures in different shadows or different angles. Okay, and print features, we can make a new printers also. By using these PowerPoint features, we can give a best presentation. So many people are using the PowerPoint. So what are the advantages of PowerPoint? See the advantages of PowerPoint. It can be used virtually anywhere. So I can anywhere virtually, I can use this anywhere by sitting. Okay, and it is a collaborative solution, so it is collaborated with all applications. And you can choose to create your own design or use existed one. So already predefined existed tools are there, or designs are there, we can use that and make a new one. Otherwise you can create a new one also. Or multiple uses, we can use this in a multiple levels and multiple purposes. And export in different formats, so we can change it by using a different other formats also. And it facilitates an effective way of communication with the audience. So by giving a presentation, I supported to PowerPoint presentation is the best one for a good presentation, both the wise, for animation wise, or picture wise, or the sound wise. And go for the applications of MS PowerPoint. See here, the PowerPoint on your PC or a Mac devices or mobile devices, we can use many other devices also. Create a presentation from scratch or templates, or see the text, images or videos, audios, arts, we can add it. Select a professional design with the PowerPoint designer also, and transitions, animations, and cinematic motions we can add by. These are the few applications basically and mostly used in the world now. See the parts of PowerPoint. So this is the image of PowerPoint home page. See the middle part. This middle part is the working area of PowerPoint. And see always the first one is the title bar, and then after see this is the slide area, and this is the help, and this one is the home, and this one is the file tab. See these are the different files. And see this is the slide tab, and this is the tools bar, and slide view and zoom options. So this is the basic PowerPoint presentations. Window components, maybe they are different in each application and different applications. And see the slideshow. So what is slideshow? We are making a slides in PowerPoint to present here different documents. See how we can make the slideshow. Go to the slideshow, slide custom slide, and then select custom shows. In the custom shows dialog box, select a new under slides presentation, click the slide you want to include the main custom show. So by taking a new slide, you will make a new one and attractive one following these steps. Okay, then after save your presentation. After selecting a new presentation, I want to save that presentation. Okay, see the presentation how we will save it by using the file command. At the File menu, select the Save option. Save, pick or browse a folder and whatever you want, the location of the particular folder, and name your presentation. Then after, click Save button. Otherwise, you can go by using the Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus S is the shortcut button for save. Okay, so first I made a slide. Then after I saved that particular slide. Then after, how I can open that slide afterwards. See here, you must have the representative program open for the example illustration. So already saved files, I can open it. For example, copy your graphics, Ctrl plus C, or paste your graphics, Ctrl plus V. Okay, after the convert it from in graphics to another formats by using a open different files. So one file, like for example, I done something in the file 1. Now I want that content in file 2 also. Then I should open the file 2 and copy and paste those content. This is a one type of example for open. Then after, close your file in PowerPoint. Alternatively, click the File tab in the ribbon, then click the Close command at the left side of the Backstage view. So, whatever you, after completion of your presentation, close your presentation. If you only have a single presentation open and you want to leave the PowerPoint application open, after closing the current presentation, click the File tab in the ribbon, and you can get the new one also. Inserting an object in PowerPoint. So object means we can give a number of objects, like creating a different shapes, formats, all those. Click in the slide where you want to place the object. On the Insert tab in the text group, click Object, click Create from the file. In the file box, type the name of the file or click Browse to select from your list. So we can add any type of objects here. So afterwards we can add not only objects, we can add the charts, like different types of charts. These charts, like create a simple chart, like insert chart. Pick the chart you want, pie chart, bar chart, whatever your wish. So after selecting the group of information, the selected dialog box will accept that and make the attractive chart. Okay, after making the charts, then we can apply the custom animation or effect of a particular object. Whatever the objects may be, pictures or a content or a shapes or a charts, whatever. So we can apply the animation for that. Select the text or object and select the animation tab, and in animation group, click the custom animation. Okay, in the custom animation, take a pan appear on the right, click the add effects. After getting the add effects, you will get the different options. Okay, for selecting an option, divide into different options, select the desired effect. Then you will apply to your document. Then transition multimedia in PowerPoint. Transition multimedia in PowerPoint. In the thumbnail pan, select the slide where you want to apply or change a transition. On the transition tab, find the effect that you want in your transition gallery. For example, effective options to satisfy how the transition occurs. If you want the slides in presentation to transition the same way, select apply to all. Transition is effects like a blinking or splitting or transactions like different transactions. You will apply for the transition tab. Then after, see the transition media in PowerPoint. Transitions are motion effects that when in a slideshow view and add movement to your slides as you advance from one slide to another. So maybe by getting a left to right or top to bottom, by getting a splits, by getting a motions, whatever you need, transition multimedia will add that. Okay, we go in the effects. Then after, go for the transition multimedia purposes in PowerPoint. So why we are using this transition media purpose in PowerPoint? Animation. What is the meaning of animation? Moving objects, we called it as an animation. Why we need an animation? So animation will gives the effective or attractive presentation to whatever the presentation it gives to the customer to good presentation. So animation and the transitions can make your presentation more energetic and fluid. So for example, it's a blinking contents and after one after the objects will inject to your project, or maybe other whatever the transactions like a blinking or moving or splitting. These are gives not only animation or a transition, we can give both effects to our presentation. Then after transition, multimedia usage in PowerPoint. What is the meaning of multimedia? So multimedia means nothing but audio and videos, called as a multimedia. See here the thumbnail pane, select the slide where you want to apply or change a transition. On the transition tab, find the effect that you want in the transition gallery. Select effect option to specify how to transition occurs. If you want all slides in the presentation to transition the same way, select apply to all. Otherwise, you can go individual effects. It will affect only that particular selected slide only. Afterwards, you can give a different slides to different effects. This call it as a transition multimedia presentation. By using these, we will give the attractive presentation. Then after, animated a picture on your slide. So maybe the picture, suppose a frog blinking, a flower opening, or a greeting card opening, or whatever the different pictures. Maybe the flowers are splitting. So the different options. Select the first picture. On the animation tab, select an animation effect. So after selecting this particular animation effect, the pictures or the whatever you are selected objects will move on that particular effect. It gives an attractive presentation. So you can animate the text. So what is the meaning of text? Maybe so K.B.N college is a one text. So we can give the K.B.N college first K should apply in the screen. Afterwards B will apply. Afterwards N will apply. So like in the way we can give the animation for a text also. Not only text, we can give the pictures. For example, I want a bunch of flowers, but first it takes a first flower, second flower, third flower. Afterwards, I want a bunch of flowers with the blinking colors. Okay, and then after shapes also. Shape means like a triangle, rectangle, line, or whatever the shapes you can give. Okay, and we can give the animation for that shapes also. Not only shapes, tables. Tables means number of rows, number of columns. We can give animation for these also. And smart art graphics like traffic signals or emojis or different graphics for giving the namaste or for giving the claps. Like these are the smart art graphics. And other objects in your PowerPoint. So other objects means for a happy birthday song or a happy birthday greetings, not only greetings, different namaste or a welcome presentation. These are the different effects we can make by using this object appearance. And add sound. Sound means the volume effects or the voice, or we can give the different music also. So how the sound effects to transition, visual effects when moving between slides in your presentation. By giving a musical or instrumental or whatever, set them to start and stop when you want them. So or by claps or different animal sounds or different sound effects or rhymes we can give by using the sound, add sound effect. Okay. Then after turn your presentation into a video. So now I am giving a video, so I can make a presentation by recording that particular presentation. For example, how we can record that? Click. First we have a menu bar. Okay, see in the top we have a menu bar. Then click file menu. In the file menu you will get the export. After clicking the export button, then we can get the create a video call. After selecting the create video call button or on the record tab of the ribbon, so the record tab will be presented in the ribbon top of the window, click export onto video. So automatically it will resolve under clicks. Then after the video will be recorded and it will go for the live telecast also. So for example, at the time of live video classes, so many people are using this presentation. Okay, so see, again turn your presentation into a video. Okay, I want to give you a video, a live video. Then click a file, export, create a video. So one after the slides will go in the live. Okay, then after, there are many types of multimedia devices. So multimedia devices means the supporting devices like a video, audio, transmissions. Okay, so here we have nowadays we have so many audio video devices in the market, but the chapter focuses on the popular areas like optical drives technologies and sound cards. These sound cards will injected in our laptops or maybe our smart devices. Those will use it to display the multimedia devices. Okay, then after go for the next one. See, multimedia is any content on the web that combines these forms of content in a sense. The web itself can be considered a multimedia experience since virtually all websites today include a combination of video, audio, text, images and animations. There are two basic types of multimedia, linear and non-linear. So basically we have two types of multimedias like a linear and non-linear. By using this linear or non-linear multimedia, the content may be web combined those forms like different forms, maybe multimedia experience forms virtually connected by different websites. Combination of maybe video, audio, text, whatever you wish. I can use images or text or animations or video. So by using these different combination of text, I can make the multimedia combination forms content by using a linear or non-linear. Then after go for the next one. This is the conclusion of my PowerPoint presentation chapter unit 5. So why we need a PowerPoint presentation means it's one of the best experience to give the presentation to every student, not only student, every employee. Thank you. Good day.